Domestic Standard Sale Order. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to create a domestic standard sale order in Kloud. In order to create this, we will first navigate to the Transaction tab, and then click Domestic Standard Sale Order. To begin with entering the details for your domestic standard sale order, click on the New button. In the very first blank, enter the customer order number and customer order date. While creating the customer order number and customer order date is found from the PO which was created by the customer. Now click the Party field and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the party. For the very first blank, click the Item ID field and press the F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the item. Here, all the details regarding the item's data are displayed. In the next step, the user must enter the quantity and sale rate, and the amount will be automatically calculated in the Amount column. You can now select the sample approval from the drop-down list. The item quantity can be shipped with respect to the scheduled dates as per your requirements. Next, click on the Configure Schedule button. A pop-up will appear in which you can enter the order key and shipment date. Click on the Submit button. Promotional items can be the additional items that you want to share with your customer. Now, click on the promotional material. A pop-up will appear in which you must click on the Item ID field and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the item. Here, all details regarding the item's data are displayed. Enter the quantity and click on the Submit button. In the next step, click on the More section. Now select the delivery type from the drop-down list. Advertisement items are products distributed at little or no cost to promote your products. Now, click on the Advertisement Material section. A pop-up will appear in which you must click on the Item ID field and press F2 button. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the item. Here, all details regarding the item's data are displayed. Enter the quantity and click on the Submit button. A partial shipment is the fulfillment of a single order in more than one delivery, and tolerance functionality is used to define percentage deviation from the actual ordered quantity of the product. Now, click on the Term section and select the partial shipment from the drop-down list. In my case, I am selecting No, and tolerance is not required. Next, click on Payment Terms. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the payment type. In the next step, click on the Tax Other Details. A pop-up will appear in which you must select the tax. At last, saving all the above-mentioned details will lead us to successfully complete our domestic standard sale order. You can now find the domestic standard sale order by clicking on the Find button, and all the details you just created will be visible. Furthermore, if you wish to change the domestic standard sale order, click on the Revise button and you will be able to alter it as per your user rights. Record saved successfully.